Power awning, speakers outside. It must have a strip of LED lights under the awning. Here's an outside solar charge port. Cargo bay goes all the way through. It's got that huge battery rack. It's also got a light up here. Window in the bedroom. Side window in the slide. Big window on the side of the slide, or the front of the slide, whatever you want to call it. Another little window, and then here's all your utility hookups and another light. Ladder on the back, which the Blackrocks don't have. This is a Creekside. Three steps. First one's actually pretty close to the ground, which is nice. Solid surface countertops. Nice pull-out faucet. Pantry. 1, 2, 3, 4 spots to stash stuff. And then here's a hanging closet. Recessed LED ceiling lights. That's a nice plus. Medicine cabinet. Towel rack. Switch for the lights. So one thing I like about this is, with it having this recessed ceiling lights, they should all be on switches. The Blackstone, or I should say the Blackrock, it's got surface mount ceiling lights, and you operate them with a switch on the light fixture itself, so that's kind of a nuisance. Here's the audio system. Wide open cabinet space without a divider in the middle like a lot of times you see. Pretty good sized fridge. I think that Norcold has increased the size of their fridges a little bit. No, this is the same size as the one I have in my Arctic Fox. An N611. There's 4 lights in the bedroom. 1 AC vent. Switch for the light is right here. And these cabinets are sort of at an angle. The front is sort of angled a little bit. You might be able to kind of see it there. sort of a tapered ceiling on that cabinet there. At the very back of the cabinet, you only got about 3 inches of height, so not a whole lot of room there for stuff. Nice big drawers. Wow, that's a huge drawer. Storage underneath is accessible as well. There's a power outlet for your laptop. Another big drawer. And this table is gigantic. Skylight in over the table. There's your TV, thermostat. Very nice. Solar charge controller goes up there. And here's all your controls, your awning, your slide. These are lights, probably inside lights and outside lights. Water pump, water heater, gas, water heater, electric. And this one has a heated fresh water tank system. Here's another 21RBS. This is the one that has the July 2017 build date. There it is right there. The fiberglass wall comes all the way down to the base, meaning, like the one I'll show you in just a few minutes, it has a side skirt on it. This one also doesn't have any wheel well fender flare like doodads. The other thing that's different about this one is it only has 2 steps. It does have the off-road suspension with the shocks and the Morride suspension system. It almost looks like it may not quite sit up as high as this one, which has a November build date. Kind of hard to tell, but 3 steps. Not much space down there, probably 4 or 5 inches. And it's got this aluminum side skirt at the base of the wall. It also has this wheel well opening. The side skirt goes all the way along the side, all the way up to the front. This one does look like it sits up higher. But it is kind of hard to get a totally good judgment on that because this ground is a little bit unlevel. So the way this one is sitting, the nose is definitely lower. Only way to really know for sure would be to get a tape measure and measure the distance from the ground to the bottom of the frame right at the center. Right at the center meaning right between the 2 axles. This is the 21RBS with the slide retracted. And if you take the measurement right about to the knobs for the stove, we're at about 13 3/4 inches of clearance between the stove knobs and the table. lots of space. This is very usable with the slide retracted.